Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I finally got all of my Christmas decorations that were outside down, so I feel pretty darn accomplished. I'm also back in school, which is nice. I actually did it for fun. I guess I'm one of those, I don't know, am I weird? I enjoy learning new things. I'm actually taking some programming and coding courses, which have, some of them have been challenging, not all, but they're really fun. I feel like it's a good skill to obtain. So today I have some hair extensions to share with you guys by Full Shine, and I got some seamless ones, which I always find they're a little easier to hide, especially if you are not an experienced hair extension wearer, if you will. I don't wear them often, so I don't get a lot of practice putting them in, but the seamless really helps hide. There's no weft or anything like that, so they're a little easier. So if you're new to hair extensions and you're worried, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to put these in and hide them and make them look natural, you want the seamless. You want the seamless. So I got the 20-inch, so I'm expecting some long, luscious locks. And I got it in medium brown, which this is my all natural hair color. But they are 100% human hair, so if you get a color and it's not slightly your color, you could always take it to your stylist the next time you go in for a touch-up or a highlight or what have you, and have them do your extensions for you. So here I've already taken them out of the box. They come in a nice box. I've already taken it out. But here they are. They come in a hair netting, and they're all linked together. I cannot freaking wait. You know what? I lied. I did not get the medium brown. I got the ombre because I forgot why I did this. I got the ombre because I think it looks a little it helps blend, in my opinion, because naturally, if you do not color your hair, the ends of your hair are always lighter. Damage, the sun. The ends are always naturally lighter. So I think this is going to blend nicely. And I'm going to have to get scissors. No, I don't have to get scissors. Okay. But here are the pieces right here. So we are going to get in the pack, you're going to get your 4 clip piece. And this piece I like to use on the very base of my head, near the nape of the neck. So when I split my hair, I'm just going to leave like barely anything there. And I'm going to clip this piece right here. So that's how I'm going to do. So you have the 1 4-piece clip. I lied. There's another 4-piece clip. So you could stack these. So very little hair left, clip, take another section down, clip the 4. So we have 2 4s, right? Yes. Double checking. And then we should have 2 3s. So the 2 3s, I actually like to put them together like this. And I like to put it up right here with just a little bit of hair on either side of the temple. And I'm going to take the 3, put it here. And it'll come to about the middle of the back of my head. And then the other 3 I like to put here. So they are next to each other, almost making a ginormous 6-clip hair piece. So I like to do those together. And then you have 2 clips. I like putting these again above. We're going to put these above the 3 clip. And I like just putting these on the side. So one here and one here. And then sometimes I use the single clips, and you do get 2 of them. We'll see if I decide to use them or not. But again, I just put them on either side. I probably use this side. This side is actually my thinner side. So I'll probably put this one right in here just to kind of make this side a little thicker. I may or may not use this one. We will see. Don't think you have to use every piece. You don't. Whatever, depending on your hair texture and the thickness and stuff, you may not need all the pieces, especially if you don't go as long. If you just maybe get, you know, if I got the 14 or the 16, I probably wouldn't have to use all these. But I'm going to go ahead and put these in real quick, and I will be back for a full reveal. Okay, so I am back. I have I put every piece in just to kind of blend it a little better. But as you can see, it adds quite a bit of length. And I forgot to mention, when you guys are doing the side, you don't want to do it like right up against your face. Come back an inch or 2 just to hide that, the seamless, it's not a weft, but the seamless piece, just so you can hide it better. And you can also, if your hair is super shiny, silky, you can actually back comb your hair if you want to, for the clips to grab a little something. I didn't need to, even though my hair is super, super thin and soft. I didn't have to do that. But so here are, look how pretty. I'm going to come in close. I mean, you can see where my hair is, but it blends, like it blends really nicely, I think, with the extension. And I really like the ombre color. It adds quite a bit of length. It gives me a whole another look, and my hair is naturally straight. It's just straighter. It's even straighter than the hair extensions, so I could actually go in there and straighten the hair extensions, and it probably would blend even better. But you can also curl this. So if I wanted to curl my hair, I could totally do that. I would wait till you put the extensions in and then curl it. But it is, I'm going to pull on it. It's in there. It's nice and secure. I don't feel like it's going to go anywhere. But it's really nice. Make sure you guys check them out. Again, the company name is Full Shine. I will link them down in the description below. And as always, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the things. And until next time.